Here we go, folks. Look at this. There are TI and X resemblers, and then there are TI and X resemblers. This is an article by David Mark Keirsey, PhD, the son of David West Keirsey, the psychologist. Victor Galenko typed David Mark Keirsey is LII, and he was the basis, along with the senior, of the Keirsey INTP architect rational profile. And I'm going to show you in this article just how LII David Mark Keirsey is. Look at this. You've got different levels of repeating structures and then connections between things. And not just that, it under construction, which might be a little clever pun there. So what we got here, so I'm going to link the article below, but if you can see that, there you go, there's the abstract. And you got, look, subformal context. Oh, okay. These things, I'll link it below. Introduction. There we go. We're using this as an excuse to talk about loads of different things. Suggestibles with economics mentioned. Look at all this. There are many different complex phenomena in each field, and then just look at all these different fields and making connections between them. The trans-contextual thinking going on here. And what have we got here? Different systems. Well, look at the physics going on here. I mean, look at all these different things being combined together. I mean, flipping heck. The problem of meaning of complexity. Thinking about actual definitions and worrying about definitions. But also this involution-evolution thing is a big thing about the left spinners and right spinners. Victor, somebody else who is very LII. Right, here we go. Look at this. Do you want to? Here's some more INTP for you. Sorry, INT little j. Material systems and functional systems. There we go. There's some more for you. The next major level of material complexity. Right. Right, Victor has a bit of this with because he's probably reading all this kind of stuff. He just can't find a link to socionics yet. He's probably done it in some obscure article. There's a bit of that in forms of cognition. He will find the different levels, not so much levels. I mean, a repeating structure. So the way the benefit ring and supervision rings work within the individual, and then how would that work, say, if you have a group of 4 who are of the same supervision ring? So a room with 4 people in, 1 ESI, 1 LII, 1 IEE, and then what would be the other one? I did ESI, IEE, LII. Oh yes, ESLI, all holographic panoramic. Let's just go through a bit more of this to show the LII-ness. Darwin's metaphor. So I mean, how many different involution? Right. So left versus right spinners. 2 levels of functional complexity. Involution. Summary. Let's read the summary. We have briefly introduced the notion of major levels of complexity as a way of viewing and understanding the underlying structures and processes of the world. It is hypothesized that there are 3 basic regimes of matter: chaos, edge of chaos, and order. The combination of these 3 regimes form a level of complexity. Within an edge of chaos, there can be more levels of complexity, and thus forming a material hierarchical organization of increasing complexity. This increasing complexity is called involution. In this brief paper, a major level of material complexity was illustrated by an example of the solar system. Other levels of complexity have been worked out, but have not been presented here. Right, then we've got comparative complexity, various things here. So that's it. David Mark Keirsey. You can be pretty darn sure of his best fit type. I'm going to end it now.